guys, and welcome back to another essay video. Today I'm gonna have a back with Zara, and today we're gonna show you how to get the mail bee. We always wanted it in our whole life literally, but then until we noticed how to do it, then we can do it. So that's actually really good. So
it's for free.
Yeah, for actual free. You can just subscribe for free. I actually tried. I literally just a kid and I did it. Okay, so oops, sorry. Okay, why is the battle Zulu still there? Okay, so you just have to do /newsletter. I already signed up already. So just write your email address, like if you're in Yahoo or if you're in if you're in Yahoo or you're in Gmail, then you put your email there, and it will say you earned a confirmation email. But if you didn't get it, then go to the search in Google how to undo my subscription for a new Hive Minecraft Newsletter, and then go to the result that says the newsletter on the buzz on the Hive website, and then there'll be one of them that will say it'll be the first result is I signed up, but I didn't earn a confirmation email. What do I do? So you'll get it, and you go to the link that says the web something, and then you type your email address and your name at the bottom. Just what your actual name is. Your name, and you when you type your name, it'll give you the email, and then if it doesn't give you it, try again, and then when you got the email, they'll have an image of a bee, a Minecraft bee, not just a real one, just the Hive one. It'll have a bee on it, and then you tap that, and it will give you. You have to confirm next stuff, everything it wants you to do. Tap the two ticks, and then after you do that, it will give you.
Make sure on the two square boxes, make sure that they're both.
Yeah, and then it will give you a code. Mine was WPTE or something, and then when you got your code, remember it, and then you write /redeem wherever your code was, and then you'll get it. Yep. So, that's all. That's literally all. That's actually free. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it helped you for getting this cute little mail bee. And yeah, see you soon. Bye. I'll just face plant because I'm gonna die.